how to increase your Snapchat score. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can increase your Snapchat score, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So before we try to get onto the question as to how we can increase our Snap score, you have to understand what it is in the first place, right? So your Snap score is basically the number of snaps that you have sent and received on Snapchat. It could be the snaps you receive from anybody, it could be the snaps that is sent to anybody. The more you actually send the snaps to someone, the more you're going to increase your Snap score, and the more you receive, the more the number is going to likely increase. So what you can do is just open up Snapchat over here, and then once you open Snapchat, you can go to your friends section. Just try to add more friends in this case. So just go ahead and add just a few more friends. When you add many friends and then you add them to your Snapchat profile, when you send a snap just like that, you'll be able to successfully go ahead and increase your Snapchat score just like that again. So if I come to my Bitmoji profile here, you can see my Snap score is 4,139. It's not really that impressive number, but I'm not really active on Snapchat, and you won't actually believe me that these are the numbers that I increased just by receiving snaps. So you can see your Snap score is 4,139. It says your Snap score increases with each snap you send and receive. So it basically also means I have sent 383 snaps only. So out of 4,000, I have only sent 383. That's not even like 10%. And then I have received 3,745 snaps on my account. And that's basically it as to how you can increase your Snap score. The more you send to people at once, and the more you receive, the more your Snapchat score is going to be increased overall. And that's all it takes to increase your Snap score. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.